What's up, guys? Back with another haul? Now, for real, time to get serious. So, Blacksmith sent me a package. And I'm gonna share it with you guys. They reached out to me and asked if they could send me one of their products. I got cut off in the last video, but I said, of course. So we're gonna open it and see what kind of goodie is in here. Move all this out of the way. Alright, I had to get that other filter off. I couldn't do it anymore. But this is what comes on top of the little package. There's some keys, some batteries, comes with a cord to charge it. Alright, the moment we've all been waiting for. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's got the finger lock for the little keyhole. This thing is super cool, but moment of truth. Will this guy fit in there? It did. In the extended mag. That's solid. Definitely worth checking out. Thank you, Blacksmith. I love it, and we cannot wait to use it, especially with this guy. But